Hello student of class 12, this video is for the chapter probability. I will do some sums. An unbiased coin is tossed 3 times in succession. What is the probability of getting exactly one head? That means the probability of getting a one head. When a coin tossed 3 times, then the coin tossed 3 times. That means total number of probability equal to 2 to the power q, that is 8, and what is the sample space? 3 times coin cost. The probability of getting exactly 3 times. That means possible probability is H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, T, and next T, H, H, T, H, T, 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 H, T, T, TTT, TTT, THT, TTH, and THH. Okay. So at least one head. That means this. That means 3. What is the probability? Favorable outcomes, at least one head. Probability of getting exactly one head. Exactly one head means 1, 2, 3. That is, favorable outcomes is 3. Here favorable outcomes equal to 3 and total outcomes equal to 8. So probability of getting exactly one head equal to 3 by 8. Okay. Next sum. The probability of getting 11 for an ordinary die is thrown twice. Second sum. For the throwing of ordinary die, total number of probability equal to 6 square, that is 36, and outcome, this is the sample space. One outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for one throw of dice, and second outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for second throw of dice. So I will get 11 in this 2 way. Okay, there is favorable outcomes equal to 2. So here the question is probability of getting 11 when the dice is thrown twice. So the probability of getting 11, that is 2, favorable outcomes 2 by 36, that is 1 by 12. Okay. If two events are mutually exclusive, then mutually exclusive means can't happen two events at a time. Can't happen two events at a time. That means A intersection B, this is equal to phi. That means probability of A intersection B, this is equal to 0. Okay, this is for mutually exclusive. And when two events are mutually exhaustive, that means and occur at least one of the event occur compulsory. At least one of the event occur compulsory. That means A intersection B, this is equal to sample space. That means probability of A intersection B, this is equal to probability of sample space equal to 1. Okay. And impossible event means an event that cannot happen. Cannot happen. Okay. And when two events are mutually exclusive, when two events are mutually independent event, then PA intersection B equal to PA into PB. Okay. I know probability of A union B, that is PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. When two events are independent, then P union A equal to PA plus PB minus PA into PB, because PA intersection B, that is equal to PA into PB for mutually independent event. Okay. Now I will explain the proof. I will explain the proof. P, I am ending here.